How to hard factory reset the GardePro A3S trail camera. Now you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one would be troubleshooting. If this is frozen or all the files are getting corrupted and stuff like that on your SD card or anything like that where it's not working right, you're trying to troubleshoot it, we can do that. Also, if we just want to get all the settings back to the way it was when it came out of the box, because we want to set it up more or less like a new camera, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do for that is to go ahead here and we're going to turn it to set. Then from set, we're going to, once it's on, we're going to turn the menu on, and then we're going to get this menu here. Now we can scroll down. It's all the way down at the bottom. So what I'm going to tell you to do is just scroll up, because it'll take you to the bottom of the menu. And I'm going to scroll up to factory reset. From factory reset, I'm just going to hit OK. It's just going to ask me to confirm it. So if I hit menu, it will back me out of it. But if I hit the OK button again, it will factory reset it. And then everything will be reset. It'll say reset successfully. It'll come back to the menu screen. And now I can set this up like a brand new camera. Now, if you want this camera, there'll be a link down below.